lightweight, realistic, cute, boosts his confidence. I mean, hi loves, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome, love. Y'all, I know y'all about to say, Tori, why are we always in your bathroom? Because I'm about to do my hair, okay? Shout out to HerGivenHair for sending me this beautiful half wig. Do y'all see the curls? Ah! And this is a 14-inch curly, coily half wig from HerGivenHair. I have tons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have now 5 half wigs from them. Love them. I've purchased from them. They've sent me things. I love HerGivenHair. If you have never checked out HerGivenHair, you need to. Especially if your alopecia is similar to mine. I think you'll like it. I think you'll like their half wigs. Okay, so this is the inside of the wig. I want to show y'all that. It has a comb right here. Love the combs that they use for their half wigs because these combs don't pull on your hair as much as like smaller combs can. So you can use this one or not. I typically just use the combs on the side sometimes, but I definitely use the comb in the back. I don't typically use this one just because of where my alopecia is located. I am a girl with 2 different types of alopecia. I like to remind y'all that because it could be somebody new, you know, joining the community, joining the family. So I like to say it so people can know and people don't have to guess. I have androgenic alopecia, which is like female pattern baldness. And I also have CCCA, which is, to me, the devil of all the different types of hair losses you can have. All right, I recently washed my hair. She look a little crazy. I flat twist the back just to like lay it down, get it out of the way. And then I left this. I also just did my makeup, and so the difference, honey, that bronzer versus that, my God, today, but it'll be all right. So yeah, I've recently washed my hair like yesterday. So I'm just adding a little water. You know what? Let me get out of this top and put on like my robe top. Let me do that. Okay, this is better because I feel like things can get messy. So just kind of added a little water to refresh the curls. It's going to be all right because we about to throw on our half wig. So let's put this bad boy on. I'm so excited. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. It also comes with a drawstring. I definitely use the drawstring. This is like my favorite thing on all wigs. I love that. And you also have the adjusters right here that you can use. Okay, so I have this wig cap that I do want to pop on for the back, just to help protect the hair a little bit more. Their inside is very ventilated and it's good material where you don't have to worry about it snagging at your hair, but still do something to protect yourself. Sometimes I even get like protectors sewn into my wig so I don't have to worry about it and I can just throw the wig on. But anyways, so we're gonna plop this bad boy on. I'm using the comb in the back. I haven't done anything with the combs on the side yet, but let's do that. Make sure that I have my hair come underneath and grab that hair. Because you don't want it trapped. You're going to be using that. Some of it at least. Coming over here. Placing my comb gently. Placing it gently. Don't just shove it. And don't be scraping your scalp. You want to be as gentle as possible. I like the way that feels. Y'all, isn't this gorgeous? Okay, and I love the fact that it's short. I typically do like an 18 to 22 inch. I love a long curly something, you know what I mean? But this is really cute. I'm liking this. Okay, Now I'm gonna do my drawstring, secure this wig in place, and then tuck that string. Oh my gosh, I'm not using the middle comb because I have a huge alopecia spot in the crown of my head, so I don't use middle combs. Hold on, guys. I need to readjust this comb. Bring it forward some. There we go. There we go. Let me do the same over here. There we go. That feels better. All right. I love this wig. Okay. All right. I think, y'all, let's dampen the wig. I'm going to do it one side at a time. So let me take this and move that. Okay. So I'm going to dampen the wig because I feel like we should define the curls just a little bit more. I did wash the wig. I always wash my wigs. I feel like that is super duper important. You should always wash your hair, no matter if you have alopecia or not. When you receive hair, wash it. And one thing that I love about HerGivenHair, they encourage it. They tell you. It's in the instructions. Okay, I'm going to use the Do Crazy Sexy Curl. Y'all, Crazy Sexy Cool by TLC, one of my favorite albums. Oh my gosh. Okay. This foam be foaming. It is a hydrating foamer. So I'm starting off with 3. It smells just like honey. It has a decent hole where it's flexible. It's not firm. It's flexible. It gives a good hole without being too stiff. So I feel like that would be good for this wig. I want 3 more pumps. Getting it all up and through there. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. Love the way it smells. Like, just look at those curls, y'all. Ow! You can't tell me that this ain't my real hair. It just looks so realistic. Okay. Tori, you ain't even finished yet, girl. Keep going, because I'm up here like, it looks so realistic. It does to me, but I need to finish. After I washed it, I was just like staring at it. And I was like, okay, Tori, get your fingers out of it. Don't put it on your head and just let it dry. So this is my first time seeing it on me. I'm loving it. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous those curls are. So gorgeous. And looks so realistic. My God, today. Ah! Add a little mousse to my natural hair because it just needs a little bit. Just a little bit. Help freshen it up. Yes, honey, yes. Baby, who said that this ain't my real hair? Oh, we love to see it. This is just gorgeous. Okay, I want like a little flip over. Is that okay? Can I do it like, should I do it like this? I feel like it looks really cute. Just a little flip over. I love it. So I thought I was recording and it stopped. I apologize. I'm so sorry. All I did, we took it to the side. And then I took my pattern edge control, which is one of my favorites. This is one of my favorites because it has a great hold while not being damaging to your edges. And that is what I love because it's very gentle on your edges, okay? So I did that and just, you know, swoop the hair back a little bit. Then I took my Sacred Hair Oil, just poured a little bit in my hands, just a little bit, not too much. And then I just added it to the hair. The hair, I thought I was gonna need to diffuse it and I don't. Cause that mousse dries in 2.5 seconds. Seriously, it dries so quickly. I don't need to diffuse anything. You can if you want to, but I don't feel like I need to. Now I'm gonna use my Topic Fiber. This is in dark brown, just to kind of fill in a little bit. This is optional, you don't have to do this. I like to do this. And definitely to fill in back here between the half wig and the hair that I left out, so it can just blend a little bit better. If the wind blows, it'll just look really natural. I'm just gonna add a little bit also and just kind of rub it in to disperse it out so it can look natural. Yeah. All right, loves, this is the final look for today. Please tell me what y'all think. I am loving this. Alopecia where? Alopecia who? Cause baby, what? This is so lightweight, realistic, cute, boosts confidence. I mean, for real, alopecia where? Where? Not here. Okay, y'all, I love it. I think it looks so realistic, but I want to hear from y'all. Please comment and tell me what y'all think. And of course, you know I got you. I'm gonna put the information in the description for this beautiful half wig from HerGivenHair. Oh, let me turn around and show y'all the back. Let me show y'all the back. You need to see the back. The back. I had to show y'all the back. Love it. Looks so realistic. I'm taking it to Virginia with me today. Today. Yes. But anyways, loves, yes. Comment. Tell me what you think. And once again, if this is your first time here, come back and see me. Make sure you come back and visit. Say hello. I love to see you here. And if you want to, join the family. Join the community. We love each other over here. We support each other over here. All right. But anyways, loves, let me finish because I need to finish packing and get on the road. So I'll talk to y'all soon. Love y'all. Bye.